Tokyo's subway system is a real labyrinth. And no, I'm not speaking metaphorically. If it's your first time in Japan, you might actually get stuck underground. I'm not exaggerating. Even people who've lived in Tokyo for over 5 years and use the subway every day still get lost all the time. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to escape Tokyo's underground maze and make it safely to your destination. Let's go. How to escape Tokyo's underground labyrinth. Tokyo's underground is officially one of the most complex in the world. Take Marunouchi Station, for example. It has over 30 different exits just for one station. Oh, and it goes down 6 basement levels. 6! And it's not just Tokyo. Subway stations all across Japan can be seriously confusing. Honestly, just getting on the right train and arriving at the correct station is already a challenge. But don't relax just yet. Arriving at your station is only the beginning of the maze. In today's video, I'll show you how to find the right exit and make it to the surface without getting lost. As for how to ride the Tokyo subway and actually get to your station in the first place, I'll cover that in another video. Something you must clearly understand. A lot of people think, even if I get lost, I'll just use my phone's GPS. Problem solved. Nope, that's a huge mistake. Here's why. First, GPS signals don't work well underground. The location on your map might look totally wrong, like, wait, I'm inside a wall? Kind of wrong. Second, GPS can't tell you what floor you're on. Tokyo's subway stations are built like multi-level puzzles, and each floor has a completely different layout. So even if you see your destination on the map, you'll often find there's no way to get there. No hallway, no stairs, nothing. Basically, GPS is not your friend underground. Okay, so maybe you're thinking, then I'll just go above ground and use GPS there. Well, that's not a great plan either. Most Tokyo subway exits lead you out to big roads or highways, and you often can't cross them right away. Even if your destination looks super close on the map, you might have to take a long way around just to get there. Tokyo's subway is so tricky, even longtime locals struggle to find the right exit. But don't worry. With the tips I'm about to show you, you'll make it out safely and reach your destination like a pro. Check the exit number. First things first, you need to find the best exit number for your destination. This info is often listed on the destination's website. And if it's a well-known place, you can even ask Google or AI search tools these days and get the answer instantly. But what if you can't find the right exit number? No worries. Google Maps is your best friend here. Let's look at an example near Tokyo's Marunouchi Station. Here's a Google map of the area. See all these numbers? Yep, those are exit numbers. Let's say you want to go here. The closest exit? It's C10. So that's the one you need to aim for. But if you accidentally come out from this exit instead, you'll end up way far from where you wanted to be. And keep in mind, this whole map? It's just for one station. Some stations have dozens of exits. So when using the subway in Japan, always check 2 things: which station to get off at, and which exit number to take. If you don't know the exit number, you might never make it out of the underground maze. A must-do after getting off the train. When your subway train arrives, of course, you're still underground. And the moment you step off the train, you'll see multiple stairways leading up. So, can you take any stairs you want? Nope. The right stairway depends on where you're going. If you choose the wrong one here, you might never reach your destination. But don't panic. Help is right in front of you. At every platform, you'll find a guide map like this. You remember we talked about exit numbers earlier, right? Now's the time to use that info. Find your exit number on the map and choose the stairs that lead to it. Most people just take the nearest stairs without thinking. That's how they end up lost in the underground maze. After you get off the train, Your first mission is to find one of these maps. It will show exit numbers, directions to each exit. Follow the signs carefully. Even the staircases themselves will have signs showing which exit numbers they lead to, like this. In big stations, there might be signs on the walls, railings, or even ceilings near the stairs. And get this, some Tokyo stations go down to 7 basement levels, so you might be climbing a lot of stairs. That's why it's super important to check the exit number signs before you start climbing. Otherwise, you could end up popping out on the wrong side of the city. Keep checking the signs even while you're walking. Japan's subway stations are seriously complex. It's super easy to take a wrong turn without even realizing it. Luckily, there are tons of signs underground to help you out, especially ones showing exit numbers and which way to go. Look at this sign, for example. You'll see the exit number here and the direction you should walk right here. If you miss it or ignore it, you could end up somewhere totally different. Most of these signs are hanging from the ceiling, so here's the rule. Until you reach the surface, always keep your eyes on the signs above you. Even if you're following the right route, you might still have to walk for more than 10 minutes through tunnels and corridors. That's just how massive Tokyo stations are, so don't let your guard down. Your best strategy? Just keep looking up. The ceiling signs are your lifeline. Stay alert at the ticket gate. To exit the subway, of course, you'll have to go through the ticket gate. But don't relax just yet. In Japan, most subway ticket gates are still underground, so even after you've tapped out, you're not above ground yet. Right after the gate, you'll usually find a station map nearby. Make sure to check this map carefully. Ask yourself, where am I right now? Where's my destination? On maps like this, "You are here" will be clearly marked, and it'll also show which exit numbers lead to the surface from where you're standing. If you don't see your destination listed on the map, don't worry. Just ask a nearby station staff member. Most stations have staff near the gates. Keep in mind, many station staff don't speak English, so it's a good idea to use a translation app on your phone. Even after you pass through the gate, it can still take quite a while to reach the surface. We talked about this earlier, remember? Before climbing any stairs, always check the exit number signs around you. While walking, always pay attention to the ceiling signs above you. Follow these steps, and you'll be just fine. And once you reach the surface, there's often another map nearby to help guide you to your final destination. Take one last look to make sure you're heading the right way. So, what did you think? Kinda overwhelming, right? Japan's subway stations are way more complicated than you might expect. But don't worry, we really hope you can escape the underground maze safely and make it to your destination. Here on Earth's Japan channel, we've got lots more videos to help you make the most of your trip to Japan. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Bye! See you!